What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've got something really exciting today for you guys. I will be reviewing a 2020 Toyota Corolla XR, the auto, CVT auto. Yeah, so as I did some research today, and I saw that this car actually comes with a 2-liter naturally aspirated motor, kicking out a whopping 125 kilowatts and 200 newton meters of torque. Really not bad for a naturally aspirated car, especially since this is more meant to be like a family friendly car, a little grocery getter, or Uber as you will. But yeah guys, really impressed with this car. I've been driving it for the last 2 or 3 days and I'm honestly mind blown. I have driven a couple of Toyotas before, and this is the 12th generation Corolla, as you please. I actually have driven the Quest as well, and I must say the XR is just on a class of its own, especially the 2020 model. Firstly, starting off with some basic features of the car. It has a digital dash with obviously your fuel consumption indicators. It actually has the eco mode that actually really kicks in as soon as you start driving economically, especially if you're in normal driving mode. As I said, this is the auto CVT, so it comes with flappy paddles, which is really dope. I can't wait to get testing on those. And as well, it has a sport mode as well, which is really impressive. Going to be engaging sports mode, which you saw turns the dials red. And then we're going to go into manual for flappy paddles. You can see it's getting cold, so hopefully let's get the tires a bit warm first before we go flat out. The window bit to hear some engine noise. Okay, hard on the brakes, gear down, get off the brakes, hard left. Guys, this car's really taking this well, eh? Okay, hard on the brakes, here's a sharp right. Obviously I'm not going as fast as I can go because safety precautions and just road rules. I don't want to make any problems. Hard on the brakes. Oh, it's very slippery here. Okay, take apex, keep it in the corner. Hard on the gas, slow down. Oh damn, yes, the sunset, guys. This is insane. Okay, let's gear up. Let's give him the beans. Yes, this car is handling this so well. Hard on the brakes. Yes, guys, let's go. Get it, guys. This engine is phenomenal. I'm not sure what engine code this is, but it's absolutely insane. Delivers power really well. The power delivers the power really well. 125 kilowatts naturally aspirated engine, really handling this well. You can feel the brakes are getting a bit tired, but let's keep going. Guys, this car is really impressing me, eh? Toyota, well done. Okay, brakes are getting a bit warm, so slow down a bit. Let them cool down. Definitely smell the brakes. Definitely smell the brakes. Yeah. Not bad. Still looking good. They just got a proper workout. So let's get you guys set up and let's go back up the last run. Really quick gear changes as well, guys. I don't know if you can realize that. That was really good acceleration there. Really quick gear changes for CVT flappy pedals. I really like them. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this car, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I don't know if you guys could see anything on the road when I was coming down, but yeah, really impressed. I can't wait to see what happens in the future. This is not a sponsored review, so thank you to the person whose car this is. I'm not going to mention names, for letting me do this review. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I think it's really impressive. I'm actually mind blown by this little fucking Corolla, guys. Corollas have always been good cars. I've always been a fan of Toyota, and this one is really impressing me. Yeah, let's go. I just don't want to be too much on the brakes. They are pretty hot, so I'm just gonna not drive too hard. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the review. Sorry I went a bit quiet there, I was just zoning out and driving. But let's get to the twisties. One more gear up. Obviously you guys can see the road conditions as well, not the best. And these tires are pretty warm now, so view, guys. Let me know what you think about this view. George, South Africa is insane, guys. Insanely beautiful. Welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know yet, my name is Brandon. Yeah, I do reviews, as you can see. I do cinematic videos. I do photography. I own a company called Outeniqua Media. I have a project car, Ford Figo. Check out the videos, share them, like, comment, subscribe, do what you wanna, do what you need to. For those people who celebrated, Merry Christmas. you guys have a wonderful year. Hope you guys have a great 2021. Make the best of every opportunity and take everything into your own hands. You can determine your own future. Don't let anyone else do it for you. Let me know what you think of this Toyota Corolla XR 2-liter CVT Auto. Doing a little mountain pass driving here. Really insane. Awesome little car. Really nice turns here, guys, with an awesome view. I really appreciate the country that I stay in. Oh, that's such beautiful land, yeah, such beautiful views. Okay, guys, this is my off ramp. I'm not allowed to turn here, but I'm going to. Just because the car is a tad warm. Okay guys, so yeah, the car is a bit hot. As you can hear, the brakes and the exhaust are tingling a bit. Sorry, I hurt myself very badly. Actually, check it out. Yeah, for those of you that you want to see, let me know in the comments to know what happened. Awesome review of this little 2020 Corolla XR. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you to everyone that's watched. Let me know what you think about the car. If you're thinking of buying one, as I said, 430,000, 2-liter, naturally aspirated, 125 kilowatts, 200, yeah, it's cold guys, sorry for my 200 Newton meters of torque, and yeah, looks pretty sick. I love the wheels, I love the LED lights, as you can see just on the video. Yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe, and please share this video to whoever would be interested. Guys, thank you for all the support. Please support my brand Unique Media. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Keep spreading the positivity. Cheers guys.